Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devyanshi.
Ma'am, I had a query that, ma'am, can we also use origami sheets if like full sheets are not available?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Good
can
evening, ma'am.
can we
Good
use
evening, ma'am.
ma'am, can we use Fevistick as glue and Fevicol?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
బద్దమ్మ ఫుల్ బ్లూ ఎత్తుకో వాళ్ళు ఏం కడిగిండారో తెలియదు నాకే ఇది ఎంత కట్ చేస్తాను
Ma'am,
Good evening, ma'am.
Simran ma'am,
Yes, guys, tell me.
ma'am, can we use Fevistick as a glue and Fevicol?
కూర్చో
Are we supposed to use newspaper instead of old magazine? Ma'am, can we use
Guys, so either you can use newspaper or you can use old magazine. So that's a choice that is available to you.
Ma'am, are we supposed to use A4 size sheet of color paper?
Yeah, so any size that is available to you right now, you can keep that.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
I have some
I'm
full
using
sheets and half
Fevistick.
sheets. So, ma'am, can I also use those half sheets?
కావాలంటే ఉంది
Yeah, completely Devyanshi.
Ma'am, can I use Fevistick as a glue? I don't have color sheet.
Can I use pen instead of a marker?
Guys, I always say that in case you don't have the exact material list, you can get the material that is closest to the thing, okay? So in case you don't have Fevicol, so you can keep glue stick or Fevicol.
Ma'am, can I use the brush pen? Listen to the yellow glass. Hello, ma'am.
Instead of black marker, are you asking?
Good evening,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I am asking, can I use Fevistick as a glue? Ma'am, can I use Fevistick?
Yeah.
And can I use black pen as a black marker?
All are modes of transportation. Okay, what is it called? It's called the modes of transportation. Now, what do we mean by transport? See, transport means any vehicle to carry.
Yes, guys.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, can I
use
use
brush
black
pen?
pen?
Yeah,
Black pen.
black pen, brush pen instead of black marker. See, if you don't have the exact list, it is best to get the closest possible material.
Can we
So whatever you think you can use as a substitute, it
for
would be.
black marker, I have taken black permanent marker.
Good.
Ma'am, can
That
we
would do.
white sheets instead of color? Ma'am, I have the marker.
Yeah, so you can keep white sheets, and instead Jasmine ma'am instructs you, so you can just color the white sheets in case you certainly need colored sheets. Okay.
And this mode of transport, kids, can be different for different people.
Okay, I guess someone is attending their classes.
Ma'am, you asked me to unmute. Ma'am, you asked me to unmute.
That you asked me to unmute. Ma'am, may I color the
So guys, as a lot of you are speaking simultaneously, if you can type your query, I will address that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, guys. I hope you all are doing fine. Okay, guys, I think we are good to start with this session.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So first of all, I need to share something very important with you guys. Just give me a second. Okay, so guys, this is a new initiative we have launched. So as you all know, we will be launching our courses shortly, our paid courses shortly. For that, we need young ambassadors. Okay. So one of you might, not just one of you, many of you might become the face of Podium. For that, we are conducting a young ambassador search program. So anything you post today, any activity you will be posting on any platforms today, a team will evaluate your work, see your creativity, and we will decide on some people. Okay. So those kids will become the ambassadors for Podium. So that's Young Ambassador Search Program we are just launching today. So be prompt with your work and update it regularly. Starting from today, we will just evaluate all your activities, whatever you are conducting in the session, whatever you are creating on your own, anything, your creativity is welcomed. Just make sure that you post that on Facebook or Instagram, any platform that is available to you, and you might become a face of Podium. Okay. So I guess any queries regarding this, or are we good to go? Okay. Okay, guys. So let's start with our session. These are the things you need for today's session. In case you are missing on any of these, you can just go right now and get the material for you. Devanshi, I can see your hand raised. If you can type your query, I will just address that shortly. Okay, so welcome everyone to Podium Supera. Podium is a super achiever-led educational platform for co-curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, the courses we will be launching shortly are creative writing, calligraphy, contemporary dance, speech and drama, chess, kathak, drawing and painting. These programs will be taught by the world's best teachers, as you can see a few of them on your screens. And we look forward to seeing you participate in these programs. You can visit our site, that's podium.school, for more information and to avail special discounts. You can also contact on the number that is displayed on your screen for any sort of inquiries. So guys, as most of you know the instructions, but for the new ones, we will today start our session with our faculty's teaching. While the teacher is teaching you all will be on mute. If during that time you have any questions or any queries, you are asked to type them in the comment box. At the end of our session, we will be unmuting you one by one so that you can ask your queries and say whatever you feel like at that time. So guys, today, yet again, we have your favorite teacher, Miss Jasmine Madhu. Miss Jasmine is an art facilitator, illustrator, and therapy trainer. She has 17 plus years of experience as a teacher and an artist. She has conducted several workshops for students on making them realize the importance of art as a medium of expression and also on the importance of recycling. On behalf of Team Podium, I thank Jasmine ma'am for joining us yet again. Welcome, Jasmine ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you and hello everyone. Can you see me? Yes. Hello and welcome everyone. So every time I come, I hear lots of excitement, right? Ma'am, I don't have this, I don't have that. Can I use origami sheet? Can I use big sheet, small sheet? So children, first thing, whatever, like Simran ma'am said, whatever is at home, you need to have those things ready with you. Why don't you have your art and craft bag? Why can't we have? I have a small box, right? So you know what I do? I keep my scissors, I keep my colors, I keep my papers, newspapers, few decorations in that. So that whenever I have to do something creative, whenever I feel something to do innovative, I just take that, box and my pitara, that box is just ready. So I don't have to go and ask my mother, Mama, ye nahi hai, ye de do, paper nahi hai, ye khatam ho gaya. So I have everything in that box. So I can keep colors, even you can try, okay? And you can give a nice name to your small pitara box, a magic box, something like magic box. So with lots of excitement, I am here Good to see you all and happy and smiling. But before I start my class, let's smile. Let's give a smile to each other, a virtual smile, and just can we wave and can we say hello? Can we just say wave and smile and say hello? Yes. Okay. So, everything we imagine is art, isn't it? Is कुछ भी हम imagine करें, वो art ही है ना हमारे लिए. Suppose मैं वॉक पे जा रही हूँ, ठीक है, और मेरे को थोड़े से लीव्स नजर आती हैं, मैं वो लीव्स ले लेती हूँ, घर आके सो जाती हूँ, सो के मैं उठती हूँ और मुझे याद आता है, अरे मैं तो लीव्स लेके आई थी, और मैं वो लीव से कुछ 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 बनाती हूँ. Isn't it that art? Yes, it is. Okay. What about newspapers at home? पापा read newspaper, मम्मी कहती है चाय पी लो, पापा बोलते हैं अभी रुको मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, है ना? सबके घर में ऐसे होता है. So क्या हम old newspapers से भी आर्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes. कैसे करेंगे? ये I'm just throwing this idea on you. You can send your entries on Facebook. You can try that. And today we are going to do something very, very creative. And the theme which you have got today, art as a fun, but we have a subtitle, art with scissors. Do you want to try? Can I say smileys, hands up, thumbs up? Can I see in the chat box? Can I see smileys, thumbs up, hands up, or some action so that you want to really do fun with scissors, art with scissors. हम कैंची से कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाँ, scissors से. Yes? Yes? Okay. Very good, very good. So super, super excited. Even I am super, super excited. So let me start with the activity. So few things which I'm going to share and I'm repeating. You can take Fevicol, and children, please don't ask. You can even use Fevistick. Okay, please, 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 my humble request to everyone. And yes, pair of scissors. I have a black marker or any colored markers. I have colored sheets, newspaper, and yes, old magazine. So my things are ready with me. So can we just start our quick art class with pair of scissors? Okay? Okay? So my magic scissors, just don't play with your scissors. Be very, very just few reminders. If any query, you can type in the chat box. If you forget something, you can go and get. I'm going to repeat each and everything twice. And third important thing is don't worry. अगर हमारा नहीं बन रहा, थोड़ा रुक के, थोड़ा देख के हम लोग try कर सकते हैं. Is it clear? So can we just start? So before we start, again, a big, big smile on your face. And let's get started. Okay. Yes, you can use white paper. Okay. So let me start with my activity. So how we are going to have fun with scissors, with colored papers, and how can we create art with scissors? So very simple. We are not going to use, let me wear my glasses. I am ready for the class. Let me play some music. Do you want to hear music, children? Yes, no, crying, smiling. Kuch to bata do. Jaldi say. Yes, music. Everyone likes music. Yes. So can you hear? Is it okay? Can you hear my sound and music? Great. So let's get started. No, Atul. Okay. थोड़ा लो रहने दो. अभी बीच में हम थोड़ा सा start करेंगे. ठीक है? वरना मैं नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. Okay. So let's start. And you know what I'm going to do? First, you can take any sheet, any color, any sheet of your choice. Okay? any color, white, black, any color. Okay, so I am taking pink here. Those who don't have big sheet, they can use a white sheet, they can use a newspaper for the base, they can use brown paper. Okay, so I'm using this is my A4 size sheet, and I'm using this A4 size sheet for the base. Let's enjoy the music, let's have fun. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just clip my sheet on a clipboard. Divyanshi, I have told you many times, beta, you can use origami sheets. Okay, you don't have to repeat. So now I am just taking newspaper and see what I'm going to do with the newspaper. ठीक है, मैं newspaper का थोड़ा सा part ले रही हूँ. And I'm going to start with the newspaper. Okay, this is my newspaper recycling, which I always say. So you can cut any shape of your choice. You are free to do today. Okay, is it clear? So with newspaper, you can cut any shape. You don't have to use pencil. Any shape, any round, circle, square, zigzag, teda meda, kaisa bhi. So, or whatever size you want. So, my scissor, I'm enjoying. Wow, it's a fun. So let's see how it goes and what I'm going to do. So मैंने ये क्या काटा? Let's see. मैंने कुछ भी ऐसे shape काट ली. Okay. Any shape. If it is clear till here, can I see lots of thumbs up, smileys in the chat box? If it is clear, kids, can I get smileys, thumbs up or yes in the chat box? Okay, now after cutting any shape, okay, after cutting any shape, I'm using glue stick, okay, or Fevistick, and I'm going to stick this on a sheet, okay. Yes, so let me start and enjoy whatever you're doing, just enjoy. So let me stick it somewhere here. I am waiting. If you're done, just quickly give me smileys. So, the next step is, I'm going to take some other color. Okay, let me try. I'm trying some fluorescent colors today. So, I'm going to cut something interesting. Let me cut few circles. मैंने सिखाया था 2 same circle अगर चाहिए तो हम कैसे करेंगे? Just fold it, and no one is going to use any pencil, anything. Okay, we are just going to cut. So let me cut circles now. And I'm using Fevicol. And let's see. What is next? I'm going to stick something here. आप कहीं पे भी कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. I have one more circle. Maybe I can stick it somewhere here. Let's see. Okay. Now let me take some other color. So I have this strip. And I'm going to cut rectangle. And I'm giving some zigzag shape. आप कोई भी शेप दे सकते हैं. Maybe I can give it here also. And I'm going to stick. Anywhere you like. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying the music and the work? I need thumbs up or thumbs down or smileys or crying face so that I know you enjoying. No message. No message. Okay, great, Mishika. Okay, Radha. Navya, happy face. Divyanshi, happy face. I am also happy. Okay, so let me take some other sheet. Oh, मेरे पास तो एक ऐसी shape की पहले से ही sheet है. So let me see what I can do with it. So if you want to give patterns in between, okay, so what will I do? I'll make some lines or something here. Let me try. I'm just cutting from the center. Very good. Avni, even I am having fun. Wow, I got this. A simple, but not bad. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me stick it here. My magic glue. You can use Fevistick. Wow, great. I'm enjoying. Enjoy the music and keep working. And let's see ये क्या बनेगा. मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या बनेगा. Okay, let me take some other color. Maybe let me take some old magazine and take some nice colorful sheet. Wow, I got this. So let me use it. So let me have small shapes, a wave maybe, a wave kind of a shape. I folded it and I got this, a lovely pattern. Maybe I can cut this. And I'm going to stick it. Okay, now let me stick something somewhere here on the top. Let's see. सब सोच रहे होंगे मैम कर क्या रही हैं आज. but जो भी कर रही हूँ, I'm enjoying because even I don't know what I'm going to make. Where is my second one? You know, sometimes it's fun when you don't know what we are going to make. It will be a surprise and we will have different kind of artwork. Wow. So let me overlap it. Let me use, oh, red sheet is here. So I am going to use red sheet. Maybe I can cut small squares. You can take any shape of this from this world. It's fun. Even I don't know what I'm going to make and use it. Little bit of Fevicol. Anywhere. आज तो मम्मा पापा भी सोच रहे होंगे बच्चे क्या बना रहे हैं, उनको नहीं पता क्या बना रहे हैं. बोलो मैम को भी नहीं पता क्या बना रहे हैं. Okay, so let me take some bright, nice green color. And who is going to tell me which shape should I cut? Who is going to write? Let me see. Which shape I have not used? I think triangle. How about triangles? See, I am not using. Yes, heart shape also, Navya. Definitely I am going to use. So yes, triangle and heart shape. So one triangle. Other triangle. Hexagon. Sure, Somid. I'm going to use hexagon also. So maybe 3 triangles and 4 triangles. Pentagon. Okay. So let me stick this somewhere here, anywhere. You know, best part is हमको खुद ही नहीं पता हम बना क्या रहे हैं, है ना? So this will be a big surprise and a magic artwork today. So you can stick anywhere, anything. And let me have your triangle. Okay. It is just a magic with my scissors and papers. Okay, someone said heart shape. Okay, let me try with blue color. Yes, let me have heart shape. This is for you all. Love you all, kids. Okay, so let me stick heart shape also. Somewhere here. Wow, too many colors, too many shapes. And someone said pentagon, hexagon. Okay, pentagon and hexagon. How many sides hexagon has? Who will write in the chat box? Yes, thank you. मैं भूल गई थी कि 6 होती हैं. So let me cut 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 हो गया. ये तो 8 है कि कितनी है? How many sides? मैंने कितनी कट कर दी? 8. Octagon. Thank you. Yes, अब मैं octagon को बीच में से इसके square कट कर रही हूँ. Let me see how it looks. Yes. So glue here and everything is here, है ना? मम्मी सोच रही है, पापा सोच रहे हैं, दिव्यांशी भी सोच रही है, राधा भी सोच रही है, तेजस्या भी सोच रहा है कि मैम आज कर क्या रही हैं? मेरे को भी नहीं पता मैम क्या कर रही हैं. And let me cut another small heart shape. How about sticking it in the center? Okay, let me have some more things. Let's say some more, maybe जैसा जिसको डिजाइन आता है वो वैसा कट कर सकता है. आज की क्लास बिल्कुल फ्री है सारे बच्चों के लिए. You are free, you are your own artist today. No one is teaching you. You just have to watch and follow instructions and do what you like. Okay? So, let me have here. Now, what next? Okay, let me tell you. Just on the screen and just follow the instructions. Now, I'm going to take a black marker. I have a black marker in my hand. And I try to visualize. Visualize means मैं थोड़ा सा सोचूंगी कि मेरा थोड़ा सा कैसा लग रहा है. Because we all are artists. हमको नहीं पता कि हमने ये क्या बनाया है. But yes, we will just see, look at our artwork and let's see कि ये लग क्या रहा है. Okay, so I'm going to just look at my artwork and try to see and convert what exactly it is. So I'm just doing the outlining, okay, and see कि ये बनता क्या है. क्या ये थोड़ा फेस जैसा लग रहा है? Is it looking like a face? Yes, मेरे को थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि ये फेस है और उसके नीचे शायद ये बो है उसकी ड्रेस की. So let me outline it and see. Okay, yes, it is looking like a face and the bow is here. But, you know, eyes are missing. So let me add eye. Or maybe now I can see. So I can add an eye with a paper. Let's see. Let me take a paper and let me add eye to it. And let's see how it goes. So I'm taking which sheet is here. Let me find out a color which I have not used. So yes, white is here. So I'm going to use white sheet here. And everyone knows eyes kaise hoti hain. So I'm going to cut a leaf shape for the eyes. You remember we did it for the Ravana also. Okay. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to stick it and yes. Okay, great. Not bad. Quite modern. Okay, quite modern. Where is my marker now? Gone, 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 and gone. Things go. तुम्हारी भी गुम जाती हैं क्या चीजें? मिलती नहीं है कभी कभी? होता है क्या कि मेरे साथ ही होता है? So let's see. Don't copy my. Okay, create your own masterpiece. So let me outline it little darker. Okay. Eyeball. Let me color it. Not bad at all. Wow, lovely and interesting. How about its eyebrows? If you want to add, it's fine. If you don't want to, let me add lips. Can I use papers or a pen or a marker? Yes, I have a marker here. So I can use marker also here. Let's give color to the lips. I want to see आपका क्या imagine करके आ रहा है. Okay, okay. आपने क्या imagine किया और क्या बन के आया आपका? So let me outline it. Nice. So let me outline everything. Okay. So let's see how things go. Okay. So I can add dots. That is my way of doing. Okay. Just add interesting things. I'm just putting dash, dash, dash. Okay. I'm outlining my triangle. You can write something. You don't want to, you can just put some dots to make it interesting. Okay. This is a modern way of doing art where we don't know, but something is there. You can have lines. See, things are coming out now. Now, let me outline this heart shape. So many children told me to add heart shape. So these two heart shapes are for you. Okay, let me outline this part also. Okay, so this is looking like a rocket. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. So can I add, give it a shape of a rocket with windows? And side में थोड़ा सा नजर आ रहा है rocket का. Okay, and this size is closed, तो नहीं नजर आ रहा. Okay, and let's see what is it looking like? It is just a pattern. Oh, I can have kites here with these squares and rhombus shape. Okay, what can I have here? क्या बनाऊं? More kites? Let's see. Oh, what is missing? Let me see. Yes, this purple thing. Can I add some lines and patterns? Okay. Oh, something is missing here. So let me take my paper from the clipboard, give it a nice outline, and something is here. Okay. So something like this is ready, but I have to tell you a trick what I'm going to do. So I'm going to write something very interesting. So I'm taking this. Let me take a white sheet. Oh, where are my white sheets? Yes, the packet is here. I'm taking a white sheet and I'm going to cut this white sheet into a cloud shape. You can take any shape, but I'm cutting into a cloud shape. See, everyone knows और बड़ा सा cloud काट रही हूँ मैं. तब तक आप म्यूजिक enjoy करिए. And you don't have to be upset कि मैम ये नहीं बन रहा, ये शेप नहीं हो रही. आज हम सब आर्टिस्ट हैं, कोई हमें इंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर रहा. So my cloud is ready with this. Okay. Okay. Now I'm taking my clipboard and I'm going to do outlining. Okay. So that you can use any color, you can use black color or any color of your choice. So let me see which color I have. I have this brown color here with me. If it is clear till here, can I get smileys, please? I miss your smileys. Can I get smileys? No smileys, no. No smileys, only Tayyab is giving smiley. Tayyab Aziz, a big smile to you. No smiley. I need more smiley. Then only I can work. I need more Nitya. Nitya is crying. Nitya. Acha, Nitya is saying I can't put, I am on my laptop. Okay. So I'm going to write something for you all here. Dream big. Okay. So Lavanya, बहुत अच्छे से सब बच्चे लिखेंगे. बहुत सुंदर राइटिंग में. ओके और स्पेलिंग्स गंदी नहीं करेंगे रेशमा. सो आई एम राइटिंग you can write anything. I thought we should dream big, isn't it? You can write in any form. Okay, you can put dots here to make it interesting. You can write anything of your choice, any positive message, but not big message. Okay, just few words like believe, faith, है ना? Laugh, love, dream big. So I am done here. So let me add little dots, okay? So it's dream big. Let me have little dots. And don't forget to put a cap on your. So what I'm going to do with this and this, I'm going to stick my dream big caption like this here on the top. Okay, so where is my magic glue? It is here. And I am going to stick. आप उसको थोड़ा सा तिरछा कर सकते हो, सीधा कर सकते हो, आपका जैसे जैसे मन है आप लगा सकते हो. So my poster, my modern poster is ready, which is giving a lovely message to everyone. Dream big. You know, we have time. I would like to add some triangles. Maybe I have white color here. Maybe you can also add. Let's do that. So I'm going to cut triangles. Okay? तो मैंने आपको सिखाया है कैसे बनाने हैं triangles. जल्दी से शीट फोल्ड करेंगे और बड़े बड़े ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर, हार्ट शेप, जो भी आपका मन है, यू कैन यूज दैट. सो आई हैव गॉट 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and I'm going to stick it here, or from the back side you can do it. अगर आप बैक साइड से कर रहे हो तो just put Fevicol at the back side and just stick your triangles. Always do from first stick from the first here and the last, and आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपके 2 triangles आएंगे कि 3 बहुत है. I think 3 are okay. Okay, when I turn it, see, my poster is looking absolutely stunning. So let me outline it now. Let me outline my triangles. अभी तक तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं क्या बनाने वाली हूँ, है ना? अभी तो ये मेरा पोस्टर बन गया और इसे मैं अपनी वॉल पे लगाऊंगी या डोर पे लगाऊंगी या कहीं हैंग करूंगी, फ्रिज पे लगा सकती हूँ, ताकि मुझे हमेशा याद रहे, you have to dream big. Then only you can achieve your goal, right? So let's outline it. Great. Okay. And let me put again few dots. You want to leave white, you can leave white. You want to add the colors to it, do it. It's a modern poster. Very nice. I am going to see your rocket ship. Wait, let me finish it and write a nice caption. I want to see your nice writing caption so that it's a poster, a message giving poster to inspire you. See, I am ready with my poster which says dream big. And look, मुझे पता ही नहीं था मैं क्या बनाने वाली हूँ. So let's, जिस बच्चों ने बना लिया है, let's hold our posters and enjoy the music and let's send smiles. Can I see? Can I see? Can you just ping me, few children, just ping me and show me your posters? Yes. Okay, can I get smileys for this? Can I get, yes, thank you, Arav. You enjoy it, you enjoy it. You can write in the chat box. How did you feel? जो हमें पता ही नहीं था कि हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं, and it was a fun. एक एक लाइन तो लिख दो, कैसा लगा? और मुझे पता है कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे, अरे मेरा तो हुआ ही नहीं. Great. I'm happy that you kids are really happy. So I am here done with my class. So over to Simran ma'am. She can ask you. You can ask any questions now. Simran, over to you, Simran.
Thank you so much, Jasmine ma'am.
Yes.
And Jasmine ma'am has
Yeah.
totally pointed out the thing I was telling you all, that you can use your creativity to make things new. And
Yes.
Jasmine ma'am has created a whole session on creativity.
Yeah.
So, as expected, Jasmine ma'am is unpredictable, but I'm
Thank
lovely.
you.
It's so lovely to see that all you guys are putting your creativity at the best. And as I mentioned it in the beginning of the session, today you can just now the search for young ambassador starts. You can post your work and you can completely use your creativity, and one of you might become the face of podium. So that's one thing. But now obviously I know you guys have a lot of questions, so you can raise your hands and I will unmute you.
So children, you need to ping me also sometimes, because I want to see you all. Sometimes there is some connectivity issues. So kabhi kabhi nahi nazar aate. Plus do ping me before asking me the question. Okay. Yes.
Okay, Devanshi, I have unmuted you.
Okay. So Devyanshi, over to you, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can see you now. Show me what you have done. Wow. So I don't know what you are going to do it. Just do the outlinings. You did the outlining? No, still not did. And what are you going to write, Divyanshi?
I like dream big, like in calligraphy.
Very nice. Very good. And I think I saw your calligraphy class also on Podium, right? You learned something, how to write. No?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
right?
remember.
Yes. Yeah, so good.
Yes.
So good. So you enjoyed the class, Divyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But I would love to see all your outlined work, something coming out of this, and share your pictures on Facebook or Instagram page. Thank you. It was beautiful. Nice color combination, Divyanshi. Any other child?
Yes, ma'am. Aradhya, you can
Ma'am,
Yes.
ask your question.
Radhya, yes, I can see you with pink jacket. Yes. Yes.
ma'am, I have made this and
Okay.
I write the title Love Each Other.
Yes, love each other. Yes. And you use tricolors, right? आपने tricolor use किया, orange, white and green. So that is a unity also. So good. You are giving message to all Indian and all everyone that we should love each other. Only one thing, beta. Only one thing. Try to give little less gap. जो आप बीच में gap दे रहे हो ना, white sheet.
I'm just making the shades.
Okay. Try to give less gap, because क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा कभी-कभी abstract भी अच्छा लगता है. You know, something modern, something new you are doing, right? Yes.
And ma'am,
Anything? Yes.
I find मैम मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में एक जगह ढूंढी थी जहाँ पे मुझे जंगल का सीन दिखा था, तो मैम मैंने वो कट करके लगाया था.
Not bad. So it's a new idea your friend is giving to the other friends. Good. Thank you very much. Any other child?
And ma'am, when I cut the shape of leaf from newspaper, तो मैम उसमें white area भी आया था जिसमें line बनी हुई थी, तो मैम वो bird का face बन गया.
हाँ, तो बनाओ, बर्ड की लेग्स बना दो, बर्ड की टेल बना दो, बर्ड की बीक बनाओ. ये तो हम नहीं भूलेंगे ना, कुछ कुछ चीजें अपने आप ऐड करेंगे. सी, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी खुद आ रही है. Any other child? Any other child?
Yes, Lavanya, you can ask your question.
Yes, Lavanya.
Can you see?
You have to ping me. Yes, I can see Lavanya. It's triangles, heart shapes, circles, greens. So what you wrote dream big. So Lavanya, not bad. It's interesting. Can you add little bit of थोड़ा और नीचे भी हम कुछ side में भी लगा सकते हैं triangles या कुछ, but not bad. Try to give little and I like that you have filled the space with dots, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, Savani, you can ask your question.
Yes. Yes, Avni, I can see pretty yellow frog. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, lovely, Priya. So this is, wow, I like the face. I like these cheeks and a crown. Yes.
Ma'am, I made a queen and I wrote the love dream big, love of
Sorry?
me.
क्या लिखा है आपने?
Dream big, love of me.
Oh, yes. Dream big. You can add more things. Okay. आपके पास बहुत सारी space है. आप different shapes लगाइए और उसकी outline करके कुछ create करें. You can have lots of butterfly shapes. You can have different things all around. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other child?
Yes, Sanvi, you can ask your question.
Hello, ma'am. This is Mohan.
Hello. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have created this flower and I wrote art, the love of my life.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you. I loved it. Okay. So you can do outlining and जब हम लिखते हैं ना बेटा उसको थोड़ा dark करेंगे, ठीक है? So that we can see it clearly. Very nice, very creative. You can add more things. Okay. And you can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
put it somewhere, not. So this is something, a very modern way of presenting your poster, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, she's my sister Sanvi. She has also created.
Very cute, Sanvi. I like the color combination. और Sanvi ने क्या लिखा है?
Ma'am, dream big.
Great. Sanvi, dream big. आज रात को बड़ा बड़ा सपना देखना, ठीक है? Any other child? Yes, Radha is here. Yes, Radha. Wow, this is really beautiful. Be creative. तो जरूरी नहीं है हमें जो सिखाया जाए हमने वैसे ही बनाना है. तो be creative. Very good, Radha. I like the color combination.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other child? Any other child? Yes. What's your name? Because I can see only iPad. You know name. What's your name? Yes, speak. I can see you. Who is this girl? Simran, do you know her name?
Yes, Arna, I have unmuted you.
Arna. Okay, Arna. Yes, Arna.
Ma'am, I am not black marker.
I am not black marker. It's fine. You don't have black marker. It's fine. You can use any color. You can use a black oil pastel color also. No issues. Okay. Any other child wants to say something? Yes. Who is this pretty girl with blue t-shirt? You want to say something?
Yes, Sanchita.
Yes, Priyanka, you can unmute you.
Okay, Priyanka. Oh,
Ma'am,
Priyanka, this is
no.
super cute.
Ma'am, please
Yes.
Dipiksha.
Okay, Dipiksha. You Dipiksha. Okay.
Dipiksha, L.
Sorry, can you repeat your name again?
L-I-T-H-A, Litiksha.
Lipiksha.
Liti, ma'am, Litiksha.
Okay, Lipiksha. Got it, Lipiksha. It's beautiful. I love the color combination. I like the way you present it. Can you hold it in the center so that we can see, everyone can see? And Dipiksha ने क्या लिखा है? Dream. क्या? No. What she wrote? It's dream. अभी वो लिख रही है और है ना? Dipiksha, Yes, Lipiksha, it's well done, well presented. Good color combination. Very good. Yes. Okay. Any other child? Simran, we have time or we should pack up?
Ma'am, we can take one last question and then I think we can close the session as we won't be
Okay.
able to take all of your queries.
Okay.
Yes, Nakshatra, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, I want to show my activity.
So, you have to ping me, Nakshatra.
And Nakshatra, you also have to start your video.
Ma'am, how to pin you?
Yes, I have done that.
Okay, I have seen. And now I can see you. Yes. Okay, Nakshatra. So lots of things. I can see ice cream लग रही है और उसके साथ spoon लग रहा है मुझे side में. वो newspaper वाला जो बनाया है, I want to. और एक almond भी है side में brown color का, है ना? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं खाने वाली. हाँ, और नक्षत्र ने लिखा कुछ नहीं है. I want to see more of writing, children, and more of not.
Ma'am, I have written.
I can't. Okay, it is in orange because the camera is just moving here and there. So what have you written? Can you read it for us?
Ma'am, think, fun, fun and fun.
Okay. So, but children, only one thing I would like to request you all that don't just outline the shape. Okay. Outline मत कीजिए, उसको कोई shape दीजिए. अगर वो square है, जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया, क्या वो मुझे काइट जैसा लग रहा है? जैसे ये 2 ट्राइंगल्स जुड़े हुए थे तो मैंने बो दे दिया, है ना? ये मुझे थोड़ा सा रॉकेट की तरह लगा तो मैंने रॉकेट का कर दिया. So try to give some shape. Try to imagine. Then only your creativity will come out. Not just sticking the shapes. It was not a sticking of a shape activity. It was something जो हमें पता ही नहीं, हम अपनी मर्जी से क्रिएट करें. जैसे मैंने ये काटा तो वो मेरे को फेस लगा, मैंने उसको फेस बना दिया. ओके, मुझे लगा कि अरे ये है तो चलो मैं इसका ऐड कर देती हूँ विंग, तो ये तो रॉकेट लग रहा है मुझे. हाँ, और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें. आइसक्रीम कर सकते हो, बलून कर सकते हो, क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको? ओके, आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस सेशन लाइक आई डिड. And thank you to Simran. Love you all. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye, Simran. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. And I hope I will see your work.
And I am the biggest fan of art.